Hey everyone, welcome to Next Stop English. Today we're talking about something super real, why we feel shy when we speak English.
Oh, yes, that shy feeling. You know, when your brain says the sentence, but your mouth says, no, not today.
Exactly. Many English learners feel that way. But hey, you're not alone. Even native speakers get nervous sometimes.
You think your English is the problem, but it's not. It's the fear that stops you, not your grammar.
Right. You don't need perfect English to speak. You just need the courage to try. Leo, do you remember your first time speaking English in public?
Oh, yes, my hands were shaking like crazy.
Really?
Yeah, but after 1 minute, I realized no one laughed at me. People just listened.
That's a great tip. People are kinder than we think.
If you wait to be perfect, you'll never speak.
Exactly. Start small. Short sentences, simple phrases, even one word is okay.
Every time you speak, you train your confidence muscle.
Here's something powerful. Change the way you talk to yourself.
Instead of saying, I'm bad at English, say, I'm learning English.
That one small sentence changes everything. Now practice time.
Okay, everyone, repeat after me, slowly and with confidence. I can speak English. My English is getting better. I'm not shy. I'm learning.
Great job. Feel that? That's confidence growing inside you.
Remember, the more you speak, the less shy you feel.
So today, say one English sentence to someone, even if it's just, "Hi, how are you?"
And tomorrow, say 2. Step by step, you'll shine brighter.
Thanks for listening to Next Stop English.
Don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comments what makes you feel shy when you speak English.
We'll reply and help you feel more confident.
See you next time on Next Stop English.
Phrases for learners to repeat. I can speak English. My English is getting better. People are kind. Confidence grows when I speak.